Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to show you what I made with my February 2021 Stamps of Life card club kit that I received. If you missed the unboxing, it was yesterday. I'll leave the video link here so you can check it out. But I made some cards, I made some pockets, and I still have some stuff left over, so I could make more. But I think I'm going to take a break. I'm happy that, you know, I used this kit within a week of getting it, and it's not just going to go somewhere and sit for possibly another year before I work on it. So, let me just get into what I'm sharing. I did make these cards. I have fronts that I still need to attach to bases. As you can see here, these are all Stamps of Life products that I used. I did get these two pockets, and I did make a video about these pockets. I'll leave the link here as well so you can check that out. But you can put, you know, an ATC card in here. It's pretty flat, so flat mail. Stick it in a greeting card. Send it for birthday. You can put stickers, die cuts, a gift card. Any type of thing. But yeah, these are the ones I made with the kit. Here's more. But yeah, I got 11 cards out of the kit so far. These two pockets. I still have some stuff left to play around with. So hopefully this inspires you to get into your card kits. Get them off the shelf. Get into working them. Get some cards made so you have a stash to use throughout the year. We interrupt this video for a commercial break. No, I forgot to mention, I'm just going to slip this in the video somewhere. I did get this layout from Call Me Crafty Al here on YouTube. Her sheet load of cards. This is August 2020 sketch. She does give you a supply list and the steps to do it. And so this is the layout that I did use for the inspiration of my cards. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you decide to join us on our crafty journey here. Click the subscribe button. I appreciate a like. If you know of a crafty friend who would be interested in this, I appreciate a share. Welcome back if you're returning for more videos like these. See here. And until my next video, shakas!